thesis editor and thesis coach. What's the difference? Hi everybody, I'm Gabi Noodleman from mythesiscoach.com. I'm a PhD holder, an academic, and a thesis coach who works with clients from all over the world to help support them on a productive and positive thesis journey. So the difference between a thesis editor and a thesis coach. Now, a thesis editor will probably come in quite late in the process. This is somebody who can look at a full draft or perhaps a draft of a few chapters and offer you input into polishing up that writing. This may be grammatical, it may be syntax, it may be making sure that you are using good, plain, simple English, which is easy to understand, but they will go in and actually fix those issues up and give you and present you back with a clean, lovely, well-written text. Is it ethical to use an editor? Absolutely. We all need a little bit of help sometimes, right? And an editor can definitely offer you that kind of input in upgrading your text. You do also sometimes get developmental editors who can help you in terms of meaning. This is stuff that's a little bit deeper than grammar. These are things like, is there good flow? Is there cohesion through the argument? And they can offer you help with that. So those are editors. But then what does a thesis coach do? Your relationship with your thesis coach will likely be longer than your relationship with your editor and probably more personal as well. A thesis coach can help you, support you, guide you, and empower you on the thesis journey by sharing their expertise and wisdom and experience from working on their own theses and perhaps those with other people to help you achieve your very best on the journey. A thesis coach can work with you to set goals, to hold you accountable towards fulfilling those goals, can share with you best practice, can guide you in a particular way. Let's face it, thesis writing can be really lonely, and having a thesis coach who can guide you and support you through the journey can be a really great way of finding support for yourself along the way. I like to say to my coaching clients that I am a critical friend. What does this mean? Well, it means that I'm there for them, I support them, I'm rooting for them, I believe in them. But more than that, I'm great at asking questions that can help open up their mind and help them develop strategies for moving forward that work for them using my expertise too. So there you have it, a difference between a thesis editor and a thesis coach. Have you worked with an editor or a coach? Do you have any questions? If so, be sure to pop them in the comments and I'll get right back to you. Bye everyone.